Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete multiple emails at once. So all you need to do is log into your Gmail account in your mobile phone, and here in your Gmail you just need to hold the email and select other emails just like that, and click on Bean button at the top of the page, and all of the emails have been deleted. If you want to restore those emails, you can always go to this three horizontal lines and click on the bean icon right here. Select them, or you can click on that select all option and click on the three dots in the top right corner and press move to primary so that it will come in your inbox again. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.